Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Your child can read. 17.
Hello, I'm Wolfie. Are you ready to read some words with us? Good. Let's get started.
Night. It is night. The stars are shining. 2 cats are watching the stars. Max, what do cats say? Meow. What do cats say? Good night. Shh, the little boy is sleeping. Good night. Flashlight.
Hello, Max. I like your flashlight. So bright.
Flashlight and ninja.
Hi, I'm a ninja.
Ooh, this flashlight sparkles. It's green. All right, are you ready? Sit down. Grab the book. Okay?
Ninja.
Hey, where's the ninja?
It's a yellow ninja.
It's so tiny. Wait, let me see. Ooh. Oh. And the green flashlight? Can you shine the flashlight? Yeah. Ooh, your ninja is green now. Do it again.
Look what I have.
What do you have? Oh, you have some toys there. What are they, Max? We're in the sea salt treatment room again.
Look.
Let me come closer. Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
Little angel reader. Do it again.
What?
Ghost. There are 2 funny ghosts here. Are they ghosts? No, they are dogs dressed as ghosts. There are no such things as ghosts. Fancy dress costumes. Look at this fancy dress costume party.
Look at this fancy dress costume party.
Trampoline. Max is jumping on the trampoline. He's having fun. Cookie jar. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Max took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Yes, me. That's who. Mask. The children are going trick-or-treating. They are wearing masks. Trick or treat. This trick-or-treat bag is empty. This trick-or-treat bag is full of candy. Apples. The children are playing, bobbing for apples. Crate. There are apples on the ground and in the crate. Say, said. Can you say car? Max, can you say car? You playing with the car. Can you say car? Can you say car? Car. Purple. Purple. A black cat is driving a purple car. There are 2 black kittens in the box. Do you like jack-o'-lanterns? A jack-o'-lantern is a pumpkin with a face. Hiding. Where are the children hiding? They are hiding behind the curtain. Candles. There are 4 candles burning. There are 4 burning candles. The children are holding candles. Blow out the candle. Blow out the candle.
Larry has a chocolate birthday cake with a ghost on top. Do you think he can blow out all his candles in one go?
Do you think he can blow out all his candles in one go? I don't know. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Look, the girl is holding a candle. Inside. Where is the little boy? He's inside the pumpkin. Inside. Baby brother.
Don't tell. Mama told you not to tell.
Books.
Granny lives in a little pink house. The little pink house at the end of this path.
I know the house.
Don't cry. Who's crying? Max is crying. Funny clown. Look at this funny clown pumpkin. The clown says, "Don't cry, baby Max." Can you make a jack-o'-lantern out of a pumpkin? Broom. The witch is flying on the broom. That's funny. Squirrel. Look, the squirrel is going down again. They're playing with those bears. Mama bear and 2 bear cubs. And look, here's a squirrel. Squirrel is ready. Again? Yeah, let's do it again. Squirrel. Hey, don't throw the squirrel. Look what you've done. Uh-oh. Say sorry, squirrel. Say, I'm sorry. Read, red. Have you read this book? It's called Max's Jack-o'-lantern by Anna Mitkiewicz. What about this one? Have you read this book? It's called Max's Treasure Hunt. Good job! Well done! You are so smart! Practice makes perfect. Let's review.
Let's read the words together.
Let's read the words together.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Let's read the words together. Night. Good night. Flashlight. Ninja. Little angel reader. Ghost. fancy dress costumes, trampoline, cookie jar, mask, trick or treat, apple, crate, say, said, purple, hiding, blow out, candles, don't be afraid, inside, baby brother, don't cry, funny clown, broom, squirrel, read, read, read.
Good job! Well done.
See you soon! Guess what? 9 months ago, I decided to start writing children's books. Have you read any of them? Which one do you like the most? I have written 17 books so far. How many of them did you read? Did you enjoy reading them? Which one is your favorite? If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, you can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.